Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand how to generate the universally unique identifiers. In the last session, we saw how to generate the random numbers in between the ranges. We get the random numbers, but those are not unique. We get some repetition over there. So what if we want to generate some identifier which is universally unique? Again, very important concept, but very easy. In Java, we have something called as UUID class, by using which we can generate a random UUID, which is universally unique identifier. So let us try to display it into a for loop. Let's find 10 universally unique identifiers. Say I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, and I plus plus. And inside sysout, let's try to display this UUID dot random UUID. So when we run this program, we get 10 UUIDs, which is nothing but an alphanumeric 128-bit value. So it contains both numbers and the characters, and it is a 128-bit value, which is universally unique. Okay, so very easy concept, but again very useful. So this is about some special useful classes in Java.